I-Inkatha Freedom Party iqinisekisile ukuxothwa kwayisakuba ngoceba wayo uSipho Mbatha ngokuhambelana nemigaqo-siseko yeqela. I-IFP ithi ibhunga layo lesizwe lifumene izityholo zokuba uMbatha wenza ubuqhophololo bokurhwaphiliza imali kubahlali egameni leqela. Okanye ke iqela likwalumkisa uluntu malunga nezenzo zobuqhetseba kunye nokuphanga ezinxulumene noMbatha.
This statement serves to confirm that Mr. Sipho E.S. Mbatha, who served as a councillor in the King Cetshwayo District Municipality, has been expelled from the Inkatha Freedom Party in terms of Section 11.10 of the IFP Constitution. Over a period of time, the National Council received various allegations against Mr. Mbatha, including but not limited to the extortion of money from individuals whilst purporting to act in the name of the party. At a special sitting of the National Council held on Monday, 4 May 2026, it was unanimously resolved that Mr. Mbatha be expelled from the party and consequently removed as an IFP PR councillor in the King Cetshwayo District Municipality. Members of the public are hereby warned against the alleged scam and extortion activities associated with Mr. Mbatha. Any such activities, whether past or present, were not and are not sanctioned by the party.